Here we are at the Central Virginia Auto Show with a 1975 Plymouth Duster with the owner. Your name is?
George Cavanis.
Hey George. And where are you from, George?
Centerville, Virginia.
Okay. So can you tell us a little bit about the car? How long you had it?
Well, I've had the car since '02. I bought it as a turnkey car. Guy raced it. It was a friend of mine. He raced it, had a little bit on the street. I kept it like that since 7/16. I took it off the road and gutted it and completely redid it.
This is Plum Crazy?
Yes, it's the 2016. My first Duster was the Plum Crazy. This is the 2016 Challenger color, and I put a little bit more pearl in it.
Nice.
I had the car completely apart. It's a World Block 572 Indy heads. The trans is being race prepped. The rear has been prepped. I drive it on the street a lot, but I drag race it. I'm going to start drag racing it.
What about the, how much horsepower are you putting out?
It's a pump gas motor, and it dynoed at 930 horse, 840 foot-pounds.
Type of transmission?
Three-speed torque flight with a trans brake. 410 gear, 5600 stall converter. Just got it back on the road in July. It was 2 years and 2 months.
Who did the paint?
CDS in Manassas, Virginia.
Yeah, it's very nice.
I was deciding whether to either a dark blue pearl or the purple, and I said, well, my first one was purple, so
yeah,
thought I'd go back with that. And
any future plans?
No, just enjoy the car.
Yeah.
It's finally finished. Had a few little gremlins with it, but finally finished, and now I just wanted to enjoy it.
Very nice.
Didn't get much time this summer because it was late, but I'll have it out on cruise nights next year. There's a group of us that go out trailer and go to different places through Virginia and up in Maryland.
Gonna take it down MIR Raceway?
That's where it's going to go. Yeah. That's where I ran it when it was the old version. That's where I ran it. I like that track.
I might see you down there then.
Yeah, it's cool.
All right, thanks a lot.
You're quite welcome.